Hey folks, my name is Maxwell with Chevrolet of Everett. Today we're going to do an in-depth review on the 2025 Chevy Trailblazer. So the Trailblazer we're going to be going over today is all-wheel drive RS model. It's finished in this beautiful Marina Blue. It's got the black roof, these black 19-inch wheels, black Chevy bow tie logos, all black lettering on the back. It's a real pretty one. Under the hood of the 2025 Trailblazer is a 1.3-liter turbo engine, cranking out 155 horsepower, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission, sending power to all four wheels for that all-wheel drive. This one's a serious gas saver. You're going to get 26 in the city and 29 on the highway for a combined MPG of 27 miles to the gallon. So this one, being the RS trim level, it's going to be a good mix between luxury and sporty. The RS gives you the red stitching in the seats, red stitching up here, and red accents. This one's also going to have heated seats, heated steering wheel, this 11-inch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, this 8-inch digital gauge cluster, wireless charger, USB ports, and a panoramic sunroof that goes all the way back. Stepping into the back seat of the 2025 Trailblazer, it's super roomy, feels very luxurious with this leather. You get a couple of USB ports and a standard household plug-in outlet. Nice little drop-down armrest with cup holders built into it, and just tons of room back here. Coming around back, that RS styling is still prevalent with the black lettering and the black bow tie. Get into the cargo space. You just double click the key and it opens right up for you. And then inside, tons of cargo space, and if you need a little more, these are a 60-40 split, so you can push that down and you got ample cargo room. And if this still isn't enough room for you, you can even pop this front passenger seat down and it's all flat. So if you're going to Home Depot, you need to load the car with construction equipment or even maybe a bicycle, you got tons and tons of space in here. All right, so getting this 2025 Trailblazer out on the road. I love being in an SUV. You're at like a higher vantage point off the ground. You can see a little better. Seats are super comfy. The road noise, it's nice and quiet. It handles the bumps really well. And the whole Chevy safety assist with the automatic emergency braking, the lane keep assist, the blind zone alert out in the mirrors. Makes the whole driving experience really pleasurable. Really safe if you have a family with, maybe some little kids and you want safety features. One like this is a good option because you have all those safety features. That combined with the touchscreen, the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, I have my navigation up here. I know where I'm going. I can Bluetooth my music off my phone. You also have a couple different drive modes. You can put it into sport mode and it really makes it feel a lot more connected, a lot more in tune, synergized with the road, and the feel of the steering tightens up a little bit. The throttle response is there. It's a fun, zippy little car. Thank you for watching my video on the 2025 Chevy Trailblazer. If you want me to hook you up with a brand new Trailblazer, they are eligible for our lifetime oil change program and lifetime powertrain warranty, complimentary to you when you buy a brand new Chevy at Chevrolet of Everett. Once again, my name is Maxwell. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.